In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code command not found error. By following these steps, you will ensure that the Cloud Command Line Interface, or CLI, is correctly installed and functioning on your Windows system. Begin by checking if the Claude CLI is already installed on your machine. Open PowerShell by searching for it in the Start menu. Once PowerShell is open, type Claude-V and press Enter. If the command returns version information, it indicates that the CLI is installed correctly. If you receive a message stating that the command is not found, you will need to proceed with the installation steps. To install the Claude CLI for Windows, ensure you are using PowerShell version 7 or higher. In the PowerShell window, enter the following command: invoke web request -uria https://downloads.cl$cld windows-2026.exe-outfile $/.exe and press enter. This command downloads the latest version of the CLI to your downloads folder. After the download is complete, you will need to move the file to a directory that is included in your system's path. Next, move the downloaded file to the program files directory by typing move item $enview serprofile downloads scloud downloads scloud downloads ex and pressing enter. This action places the executable in the appropriate location. Now, you will need to add this path to your system's environment variables to ensure that it can be accessed from any command line. To add the Claude directory to your system path, execute the following command: set environment variable path $end path plus C program files Claude C machine. After entering this command, close the PowerShell window and reopen it. This refreshes the path variable, allowing the system to recognize the newly added directory. Once PowerShell is reopened, verify the installation by typing Claude-V again. If the installation was successful, you should see output similar to Claude CLI v202621 followed by default model Claude 2026L. If the command still returns an error, it may be necessary to manually update the path variable for the current session by entering $end path plus $C program files Claude and testing the command once more. To run a test API call and confirm that the CLI is functioning, input the following command: $payload equals @model equals Claude 226LA, input equals test Claude CLI installation on Windows, men convert to JSON. Then execute the API call by typing $response equals invoke REST method -URI https://api.com/v2026/completions -method post -body $payload -content type application. Finally, display the response by entering $response output _text. If you see a valid output, it indicates that the CLI is working correctly and the command not found error has been resolved. As an optional step for convenience, you can create an alias for the Claude command. Enter set alias Claude C program files claude.xet in PowerShell. This allows you to run the Claude CLI in any PowerShell session without needing to specify the full path each time. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.